showing off the good news. We know you can't wait to welcome people back into your home, and neither can we. Let's get ready for what's next. Idea.
With its owners, and is so attached to it that the worst thing that could happen is that they abandon it. So it is important to consider if you are thinking of adopting if this is a dog for life. Nor do they easily adapt to other environments to which they are not accustomed. They always look for ways to please its owner or family, and can be super creative when it wants to make them feel better or have fun with them. In addition, it can coexist well with other pets and has endless patience. Number 3. Boxer. This is a large breed dog that may be able to scare a little for its appearance, but you can't imagine how affectionate and playful it can be. It has 10 to 12 years of life on him, can reach up to 26 inches in height, and weigh between 44 and 66 pounds. It possesses great energy, so it can spend hours outdoors playing with its owners, and even with other dogs. It doesn't need much health care. A few hours of exercise and proper nutrition will be enough to keep it strong and healthy. This is why it's ideal for active people who like sports and the outdoors. Usually it's somewhat restless. For that reason, one must have a firm hand with it. It is necessary to educate it well, since some can learn to dominate their owners. It is a faithful dog that loves to be caressed and pampered by its owners, being paid attention and treated. It is very attached to the people who take care of it, and are distrustful of strangers. That is why it must be taught to socialize since the start. Number 2. Chihuahua. Do not let its size fool you. The owners of a great personality, are daring, tender, intelligent, and very affectionate. This dog became popular because it was the favorite mascot that many celebrities had in their bags. It is characterized by its large eyes, short hair, and small size. They can live for 12 to 20 years, weigh no more than 6.6 pounds, and can measure up to 9 inches. For these dogs, there is nothing better than being with their owners and showing them all their love and affection. If you're thinking about adopting one, keep in mind that they will always follow you everywhere and be very attentive to what you do. They are protected by nature, so despite its size, it will always seek to defend you and take care of your home. But sometimes they can become very possessive, and if they are spoiled too much, they can become fragile, stubborn, and very nervous. Number 1. Labrador Retriever. And in the number 1 position we have as the most affectionate dog, the Labrador. It is also loyal, obedient, social, and intelligent. 10 and 12 years old, despite its 56 to 80 pounds, and measures from 22 to 24 inches long. It is a family dog. It will always do its best to please you and even shows openness to strangers. They always show enthusiasm and are somewhat hyperactive, but if they are well educated, there will be no major problem. In addition to all this, they are receptive dogs, so if you're sad or upset, they will notice and do what they can to make you feel better. They will not stop following you until they achieve it. Due to its great character, it is also used in therapies, as a guide dog, in rescue missions, and in the police corps, for the detection of weapons and narcotics, because it is easy to train and educate. What did you think of this top? Which one of these adorable little dogs do you think is the most effective? Don't forget to leave your answers below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next
Oh, my God. ハンバーガーだ。
Round 2.
いくよ。
Fight. Round 2.
い
Fight.
くよ。いくよ。
Round 2. Round 2.
い
Fight.
くよ。いくよ。
Round 2. Fight.
この本前に読んだな。
セーラージュピターただいま参上。
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。
ザ・ワールドだ。時は動き出す。ザ・ワールド。
ドナルドは嬉しくなるとついやっちゃう。ハンバーガーだ。
まさかこれか。
ハンバーガーだ。
Fight.
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。
ザ・ワールド。時は動き出す。ザ・ワールド。
KO.
ラン
Fight.
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。
時は動き出す。ザ・ワールド。
ランランルー。
Fight.
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。
Fight.
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。
ザ・ワールド。
ドナルドは嬉しくなるとついやっちゃうんだ。いくよ。ドナルドがね。
これか。
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。
KO. Fight.
ドナルドです。
なんだね。
ドナルドです。
ハンバーガーだ。いく KO ドナルドがね、みんなが大好きなんだ。
ファイト。
いくよ。ハンバーガーだ。ランラン